Yes! What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today is an important day because I'm shooting the first lines of my Red Bull Art of Motion submission for 2022. We are at the first spot. It's this block thing with the drop. And we have a mat to practice safely. Because I'm going to do Hakketakke flip from this one to the ground, hopefully. So yeah, first of all we're going to warm up. The mat is down. Now we are going to watch and see if it's even possible. And yeah, let's go. Okay, first of all we need to clean the spot from all this stuff. Need to throw it away because the flips I want to do require a clean and safe spot. Oh. Ah, finally! It took me way too long, but it's doable. So make it clean now. What? Boom! Fuck yeah! Double! Okay, first time without mats. The earlier tries went pretty good, so quite stoked about that. Didn't think I would be winning this mental battle for both of them outside, but I did. So yeah, let's go. First one without mats. Quite happy with that skedazzle flip, or how do you want to call it, I don't know. But that was my first one outside, because I did it at Project Underground as well, but that was not outside. It was hard floor, but this is the best spot I could find, so that's why it's grass. But I don't care, so let's go. Ah, zo fout. Ah! Yes! Oh, motherfucker. Yes! Finally, did both of them outside. Skedazzle black swipe flip and the Hakketakke flip. Both outside, one line. So cool. Even doorgaan.
That's not good enough.
on. Ja! Yes! Ha! Okay, we got 2 runs which I planned, so that's pretty sick. Pretty stoked also. Did a lot of cool stuff today. Yeah, we are going to Wiegen now to teach, and I will start vlogging again when we go out and train for the other runs for my online submission. So yeah, see you then.